Hello and welcome to my review on this little baby. It's the Krups draught beer dispenser, I suppose you could call it. And inside this little machine is beers in plastic bottles that get pressurized from the back. They run up this little pipe to here, which you fit, which is self-explanatory in there. You pop off the pourer, and then I think the pourer pulls the valve open, which makes it pour beer. I'm not too sure on that part, but anyway, that clicks back inside there. That goes down there, and on the base here is little suckers that hold the thing in place nice and rigid. And these are vents. You've got one this side, one the other side, and what that does is if you put the Torps, as they're called, the beers in there without the blue, the label going blue, which I have here, which if I spin this round, that's blue, saying that because that's been in the fridge, it's been refrigerated overnight, that's ready to go in there. And then the little light that's down here that's green normally goes like an orangey red colour, which tells you that the beer's not ready. Subsequently, the little machine makes a bit of noise, which I think is the motor inside the fridge, because this is a fridge unit, if I haven't said that already. And basically, as soon as it goes green, it's ready to pour. And once it's ready to pour, it's ready to drink. But if you don't put them in the fridge, then the labels are that colour. So you can see that none of these are cold enough to go into the machine yet, unless you put them in and have to wait. But you can speed it up like I did. I wouldn't recommend it, but what I did was I put them in the freezer and checked them every 15 minutes. So it sped it up, and then these went blue really quickly. They've got something in them, haven't they? Well, that should get cold. And I put them straight in the machine and it was ice cold. But I did take them out, take them all out in case I forgot, because if you leave them in there, they'll explode. Or crack and burst beer all over your fridge. But basically, you get this little beer tray. This comes out for cleaning. If you want to pull this out, it comes out for cleaning. And all of this beautifulness all together. These are extras. I bought these extras. The actual kit come with three of these, and I bought Desperado, or the Tiger, and the Heineken all separately, and they come in that little old box. And in the box you get the instructions of how to operate it, which are fairly basic. Tells you what angle to pour the beer at. But the very first ones come out frothier than the rest do, and then after that they seem to go all right. But unfortunately, then that's when I run out. I had to fill it up again. So let's have a look. Let's see if we can get a pour out of this. So this is a new can that's gone in there. No, it's not a can. Plastic bottle that's gone in there. 2 litres in. Turn it to the side and pull it quick. That is pressurising the container that's inside the machine. It goes off in a sec. And then how about that? There you go, it's gone off. Doesn't always make that noise, it's only when you haven't used it for a while. And then it's all ready for action. So what we'll do is that ain't good. Pardon me. That is so cold, but perfectly cold. Not too cold that you... But look, that's yum, isn't it? That's the trouble with this. I'm not going to keep it out. I'll use it weekends or something like that. So I think you'll come home from work all sort of stressed out and you're ready to go and have another beer. But I use the smaller glass because I don't like the pint glass getting it underneath there, because I think it takes longer to go. Not that I'm drinking twice as much. Oh, that really is like drinking from a pub. So there you have it. A very nice machine. Not as big as I thought it was going to be, because I thought it'd be too big, it would get in the way. But actually, it's not that big. Believe it or not, you might look it online on there, but it ain't. And now the thing is, you can go on to Beerwolf, that's where I got it from, and beerwolf.com, and they've got hundreds of different beers on there, and tells you on the site there, sub.com, for a full range of home delivery. Not too bad pricey, I think, really. £7. It can go up to a bit more than that, but they do offers, and then you just get a set of them, and they're for you. They're special. If you want to share them, then it's up to you. But they won't last as long, which is sad. So if you fancy getting one, go on online, have a look. I'm sure they've got loads on there, especially now after Christmas, because that's my Christmas present from my ever-loving wife. And yeah, simple enough. Thanks so much for watching. There you go, I'm drunk already. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you later on the next review of something that I'll go. Thanks, bye.